www.paramacademy.in. Param Academy is a platform to provide quality education to all. Please subscribe Param Academy for you on YouTube channel. Thanks.
Hello friends, good evening. Today our question is that what is 0 raised to power 0? Now it's a very strange thing. Before going to answer this question, let's start think about it. What is 0 raised to power 0? So do we understand all the rules of the indices? Let's start some of the rules. Like if we have a raised to power n, suppose we have a raised to power n, then what does it means? What does it mean? It means that a is multiplied by a up to n times. So this all multiplication is for n times. Okay, so this whole multiplication goes for n times. So similarly, if I am writing x raised to power n, then it also means that x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x, and it is again for n times. Isn't it or not? So we have certain rules. We are following certain rules. Let us first discuss all those rules. Now the first rule says that whenever you have x raised to power, suppose you are having x raised to power m and it is multiplied by x raised to power n. Now what is the rule? Whenever you are having two different bases having some powers, they are multiplying, here the base is same. So what exactly our answer would be? It is x raised to power m plus n. Our answer would be x raised to power m plus 1. Suppose if we are having an example, 7 raised to power 3 multiplied by 7 raised to power 4. So what would be the answer? It would be 7 raised to power 3 plus 4. It means 7 raised to power 7. Okay. Similarly, if we have something which is multiplied like x raised to power m, this is for multiplication, now this is for division, x raised to power n, then what would be the result? Here we are having, whenever we are having a division, then it is x raised to power m minus n. Why is it so? Because whenever it is x raised to power m into this 1 upon x raised to power n, this we can write as x raised to power minus n. Now when you add these two, this is x raised to power m minus n. So suppose we have, again we are taking an example here. Now if we have suppose 3 raised to power 7 divided by 3 raised to power 4. So what would be the result? This is 3 raised to power 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3 raised to power 3 or 27. So this is our result. Now when we have x raised to power m, now there is a power outside the bracket we have. Then it is x raised to power m into n. So like suppose we have again 4 raised to power 3. Outside there is let it be 4. Then it is not 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. It is 3 into 4. So it is 4 raised to power 3 into 4 means we are having 4 raised to power 12. Okay, so got it? This is what we have. Now if we have something like if we have something here, suppose a raised to power 0, if I am talking about a raised to power 0, or if I am talking about x raised to power 0, then our result would be equivalent to what? Our result will be equivalent to 1. Isn't it or not? So if something raised to power 0, it always be equivalent to 1. But if I am saying, because now if we are having suppose 0 raised to power 0, then our result would be 0. Isn't it? No. If 0 raised to power 0, then it is not correct. Now what exactly our answer would be? Let's find out that what is exactly 0 raised to power 0. Now we know that 0 raised to power 1 is 0, 0 raised to power 3 is equal to also 0, and similarly 0 raised to power n is equal to 0. Now if I am saying that 0 raised to power n is equal to 0, then what would be 0 raised to power 0? Now let's find out the solution. Before going to the solution, I am just having a tabular format for you. Just go through this format. We are discussing the whole thing here. Now, suppose, remember all these rules. Now what I am going to discuss with you. Here we have that 0 raised to power 0 is equal to, we don't know what it is. 0 raised to power 0 is what? We don't know. We are going to find out that what it is. Then we have suppose a raised to power 0 or x raised to power 0, it is equivalent to 1. Now what exactly? We know that 0 raised to power n is equal to 0. So there are few things we have, few ideas we have. Now we are having something with us. Suppose it is, let's start decreasing the powers as well as the numeral value, because here we are moving towards what? Suppose we are having x raised to power n. So we are approaching, we are minimizing this n towards 0, and we are also minimizing this x towards 0. So in there is a science where, like, there is a mathematics or logical mathematics we have. Now in that logical mathematics we always have two types of mathematics. One is the exact mathematics and another one is the where the tends to or approaches to. Now what exactly is this mean? Let's find out. There is a tabular form we have. Now suppose we have 1 raised to power 1. What exactly is the value? It is 1 raised to power is equal to 1 raised to power 1 is equal to 1. Now take 0.9 and raised to power 0.9. Then its value would be 0.909. Its value would be 0.909. Now again I am reducing the numeral, the base, as well as I am reducing the power also. Then we have 0.8 raised to power 0.8. Now what is the value? 0.836. Then we have 0.7 raised to power 0.7. Again, what is the value? 0.774. 0.6 raised to power 0.6. It is equivalent to 0.736. Similarly, when we move from here to 0.4, there is a trend. We are having something which is decreasing. So we find out till now, we have an idea. Okay, might be a possibility that 0 raised to power 0 must be equivalent to 0. 0 raised to power 0 must be equivalent to 0 because we are having something descending. The order is descending here. So no, but this is not the truth. There is something which is very anomalous here. Now what is the difference here? Let's find out here. We are helping this. Let's find out. Now when you come to 0.3 raised to power 0.3, now this value start increasing again. See my friends, there is a huge difference. We are feeling something very different here. What is the difference here? There is a descending order till 0.4. Now after that, like from 0.3 to, when we are moving towards lower values, lower base values, lower power values, what exactly is happening here? Now here 0.696. When you have 0.2 raised to power 0.2, it is 0.724, increasing. 0.1 raised to power 0.1, it is 0.793, increasing. Similarly, when you go for 0.001 raised to power 0.001, it comes like 0.9990079. So what exactly happening here? It is that when we got this value, which is 0.00000000000000001 raised to power 0.00000000001, what exactly it is tending towards? It is tending towards 1, but it never ever approaches to 1. It is trends, it is moving towards 1. So our answer for 0 raised to power 0, our answer for 0 raised to power 0, my dear friends, it is equivalent to, it is approaches to, I am not saying it is in exact mathematics, it is not. It is equivalent, or it is moving towards 1. It is approaching towards 1. So we use word tends or approaching towards 1, and from where the concept of the limits starts. So thank you for today's class. Have a good day.
www.paramacademy.in. Param Academy is a platform to provide quality education to all. Please subscribe Param Academy for you on YouTube channel. Thanks.